Karmelo Anthony has received a notice to appear before the judge for July 18, 2025. So what does this mean? A defense application for a subpoena is a formal request made by a defendant's attorney to the court, asking for the issuance of a subpoena. A subpoena is a legal order compelling a person or entity to appear in court or produce documents relevant to a case. This application is a crucial step for the defense to gather evidence, secure witness testimony, and build a strong defense in a criminal case. Here's a more detailed explanation. What is a subpoena? A subpoena is a legal document that orders an individual or organization to appear in court or at a deposition and testify. This could be to give evidence or be questioned about their knowledge of the case. Produce documents or other physical evidence. Why is a defense application for a subpoena necessary? In a criminal case, the defense attorney has the right to gather evidence to support their client's case. However, they don't have the power to force people or organizations to cooperate. That's where the subpoena comes in. Gathering evidence. Subpoenas allow the defense to obtain documents, records, or other evidence that may be crucial for the case, such as medical records, financial documents, or surveillance footage. Securing witness testimony. Subpoenas can compel witnesses to testify, potentially providing testimony that supports the defendant's case, contradicts the prosecution's case, or sheds light on important details. Ensuring a fair trial. By using subpoenas, the defense can ensure that all relevant evidence is presented in court, promoting a fair trial where all sides have the opportunity to present their case. How does a defense application for a subpoena work? 1. Drafting the application. The defense attorney prepares a written application, often using a specific court form, outlining the reasons for the subpoena, the specific information or testimony sought, and why it's relevant to the case. 2. Filing with the court. The application is filed with the court where the criminal case is pending. 3. Court review and issuance. The judge reviews the application. If the judge finds the request reasonable and relevant, they will sign and issue the subpoena. 4. Service of the subpoena. The subpoena is then officially served on the person or entity being subpoenaed. Consequences of non-compliance, contempt of court, failing to comply with a subpoena can result in being held in contempt of court, which can lead to fines or even jail time. Bench warrant. In some cases, a judge may issue a bench warrant for the arrest of someone who fails to appear in court after being subpoenaed. In essence, a defense application for a subpoena is a critical tool for ensuring a fair and thorough defense in criminal proceedings, allowing the defense to gather evidence and present a complete picture of the case to the court. I'm just saying,